Hi. Hi. Hi everyone. Before we start. Hi. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi. Hi everyone. Before we start today, we're going to have to put our hair back in a pony. We don't want hair in the food. We don't. Hi. Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a cold oatmeal that I just came up with yesterday. So if it's not that good, I'm sorry. But I thought, what the heck, I want one right now. I might as well film myself baking it, right? It's not really baking, but there we go. So one thing that I wanted to say today is that you do not have to eat cream cheese if you don't want to, because let me tell you a little secret. Non-fat plain Greek yogurt with peanut butter or PB Fit powder literally tastes like peanut butter pie. You don't need the cream cheese. You don't need the fat, It's perfect. First thing we're going to do is get your half cup. We're going to use a half a cup of old-fashioned oats. This time you can see what I'm doing, so I don't have to do another camera. Okay, half a cup. You do not need a glass this big. It just makes you feel like you're eating a little bit more when you put it in a glass. Ignore the doggies. They're hungry too. Next thing we're going to do is half a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. If you remember from last time, I would have some awesome music playing, but I do not want to get copyrighted. Next, we're going to do Greek yogurt, 0% milk fat. So it's non-fat plain Greek yogurt. So we're going to do 5 tablespoons. I'm sure you could use like a third cup, it's close, but we're going to just do the 5 tablespoons. Make sure you get all of it in there, even if it sounds annoying baking. 2, a 3. And I just noticed my nails aren't painted again for this. You know what? I don't care anymore. That's one thing that happened to me during COVID-19 is I started chopping my nails off completely and putting no nail polish on them. I never got fake nails I just never did the fake nail thing. I always paint my own nails, but now I don't even do that. So we're on 3, so now we're going on 4. Oh, 5. And that's it on your Greek yogurt. There's another thing too is you have the option to do as much peanut butter as you want, but today I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of PB Fit powder, which is amazing. So right now I have a half a tablespoon here, so I'm just gonna fill this up 4 times. So half. I was supposed to do this before the oats. Another half, so that's 1. We'll just mix it all together. 1.5. 2. That's 8 grams of protein worth of PB Fit powder. Now next, we're gonna do a tiny bit of vanilla extract. I didn't measure this when I did it last time, so I just, eye in it. That's enough. And do some cinnamon because cinnamon is always amazing. I would definitely do a whole tablespoon of crunchy, unsalted peanut butter from unblanched peanuts. Because why not? I'm sorry, I had to. Oh, we're done with this, so. Okay, when I was closing this, I thought of, you spin me right round, baby. Okay. Let me rinse this off real quick. We're gonna do a tablespoon of Smucker's sugar-free strawberry preserves. You can do any flavor. I almost put this lid on here. Last, but certainly not least, I noticed it really helps get the edge off the Greek yogurt, is half a tablespoon of maple syrup. Oh my, maple syrup and peanut butter. If you see me looking this weird, it's because I don't want to get all over my lipstick. Because you gotta look good for the camera. If the camera wasn't on, it'd be a different story. Okay. Now look at this. This is what it's looking like. I do not like my hair like this, but this is what it's looking like. And now we're going to stir it. Oh my goodness. Guys, oh my, it looks so good. It's literally like a peanut butter pie. It's a peanut butter pie, I swear. So make sure you're getting from the bottom up. Stir, stir, stir. I'm gonna put just a tad more cinnamon. And there you have it. We completed it. This is my cold oatmeal concoction. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that. And the little Greek yogurt on my pinky. I'm gonna have to film this from the bottom up. It's so flipping amazing. I mean, look at this. Wow. Now we're talking. Oh my goodness. So freaking amazing. So freaking amazing.